We have fans, right? I'm not just imagining this. Did we just pick a bad day to set up, or... Jolene... Jolene... Jolene!
What?
What are we gonna do?
Sir, I found them.
In hot summer days and cold long nights, nothing will bring us down tonight. When all seems lost, together we unite. Sam and Jolene,
Best friends for life.
Are you two the writers of Magnificirl and La Femme Fatale?
La Femme Fatale. It's French.
And it's Samantha and...
Jolene.
Oh. Jolene. Jolene. Jolene.
Honey, I wouldn't sing that song if I were you.
You wouldn't like her when you sing that song.
My apologies. My name is Thomas. I represent an organization called The Watch.
What do you want?
My employer would very much like to speak with you in his office. Sir, I found the two young females that you were looking for.
Leave us. Please, sit. As you wish.
What can we do for you, sir?
Sam and Joel.
What do you care?
Oh, I care. I care because I know how valuable the two of you really are. The future. Comic book properties are money makers. Everybody wants them. And they will pay through the nose to get them. I can make you so much more.
So you want to take our characters away from
There
us?
is power in these words, in these images. Not just comic books, cartoons, toys, primetime television, Broadway shows, movies, all of your dreams grown up.
What is this pretentious bullshit? Like, what the fuck does that even mean?
Don't say fuck.
Nah, man, I'm out.
Jolene. So, what the fuck does that pretentious bullshit mean? Jolene? What was that all about? Why couldn't you stay calm for once?
I can't believe you were just gonna sit there and listen to him. We can't trust Dr. Obvious Disaster.
He's not a bad guy. He's just a little larger than life.
He has henchmen, Sam.
That was his assistant.
I can't do it. I won't do it.
How many times have I asked you to do something that you really couldn't do?
5 times.
I had it at 4.
Well, this makes 5.
A bag, really?
It's a gym bag. I'm gonna go work out some of my anger. Don't follow me.
Ah, right on cue. You didn't disappoint me. You took the initiative. Unlike your zany sidekick. Where the fuck is she?
She's not my sidekick, she's my partner. And she's not here because she doesn't trust you.
Ooh, doesn't trust. She obviously doesn't trust you either. I've seen this story play out many times. 2 young friends dream of changing the world. But a rift always seems to develop. The two don't see eye to eye. The 2 friends become enemies.
Not me and Jolene. I can save her.
Well, you better hurry up. Time's running out.
I told you not to follow me. Did you come to apologize?
Why would I apologize for the best thing that's ever happened to us? We're taking the deal, and you're coming with me.
You're out of your fucking mind.
We've got a good thing going for us here, Jolene. I don't want you to screw it up.
Us? Or do you mean you?
These are my characters, and this is my story. I know what's best for it.
Really? You know what's best for it because you can take such good care of yourself. You can't even take me, Sam. Come on, Sammy. Let's go a few rounds. Stop. Oh! That's more like it.
What's the matter, Jojo? You're unusually quiet. You're not getting away. You don't listen to me. You don't care about what I want. You never listen to what I have to say. And you're not even a good illustrator. You're nothing without me.
I'm glad you're strong enough to take care of yourself, because I won't do it for you anymore. hot summer days and cold long nights, nothing will bring us down tonight. When all seems lost, together we unite. Sam and Jolene.
Best friends for life.